Have you ever wondered why the Dal and Rice duo has been fueling people for thousands of years and still remains a global favorite today? It's simple and nutritious, but it's more than just a nutritious meal. Let's dive into why dal and rice are considered a universal combination and why they've stood the test of time. But first, we need to know about the unique property of rice related to bioavailability. Bioavailability is the ability of your body to absorb and utilize nutrients efficiently. Since the rice is highly bioavailable, this ensures that the nutrients it contains are easily absorbed by the body. Whether you choose white, brown, or black rice, how you cook and combine it with other foods can boost its nutritional benefits, making rice a valuable and accessible part of a balanced diet. Now let's talk about why dal and rice are so much more than just a meal. When eaten together, they form a complete protein. On its own, rice is rich in carbohydrates but may not be a high-protein food. But when paired with protein-rich dal, the combination delivers all the amino acids like methionine necessary for muscle building, repair, and overall growth and energy, making this combo perfect for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. Here's the mind-blowing part. This combo has been around for centuries. Even the ancient Rig Veda, one of the oldest texts in the world, mentions dal and rice as daily staples. That's right, this combination has been fueling people for over 3,500 years. But it doesn't stop there. The ancient Ayurvedic tradition praises dal and rice for their perfect balance. It's the legacy of Sattvic food. In Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain traditions, Sattvic food refers to nourishing and pure food that nourishes and purifies mind and body without overloading your digestive system. This makes dal and rice a part of spiritual practices and religious offerings. Let's fast forward a bit to the 16th century. The Mughal Empire arrives, and with it comes a royal twist to our beloved dal and rice. The Mughals were known for their love of spices, and they introduced flavors like cardamom, cinnamon, and saffron to enrich the dishes of South Asia. And what better way to elevate dal and rice than by creating biryani, a fragrant rice dish with lentils, spices, and other ingredients of choice. It was an instant hit and is still a favorite across South Asia today. Now, let's jump ahead to the British colonial era in India. Even during this time, dal and rice remained a staple food for people across India. In fact, basmati rice, one of the most aromatic and prized types of rice, became a global commodity. The British even started cultivating rice on their tea plantations to meet the growing demand. And just like that, rice became a beloved food not only in India, but across the world. Dal and rice combination come packed with various health benefits. Let's have a quick look. Heart health. The fiber in both dal and rice helps lower cholesterol levels and promotes heart health. And when you cook dal with spices like turmeric, you're not only adding flavor, but also giving your body some powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. Weight management. This combo's high fiber and protein content help keep you feeling full longer, making it easier to control portions and manage your weight. Moreover, it is gluten-free, which makes it safer as a food option. It's the kind of meal that supports you whether you're aiming to lose weight or just maintain a healthy lifestyle. Essential nutrients. Dal is packed with vital nutrients like iron, magnesium, folate, and potassium, while rice provides B vitamins and manganese, making this duo a nutrient-dense powerhouse for your body. So next time you enjoy this humble meal, remember, you're not just eating food, you're experiencing a thousands-year-old legacy. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts. Stay curious and keep enjoying your favorite meals.